you eating?
I'm eating Icelandic happy marriage cake.
This is my first attempt trying to make it because when we had it in Iceland, it was really, really good, right? What do I need to improve on?
It's not as sweet. It's good in a sense that I can eat it without feeling guilty for sure. Taste to it was very subtle. I don't know if I think it's the cardamom that I taste a lot.
Does that throw it off a little bit?
I feel like that's what I tasted the most is the cardamom.
That was an ingredient that was given, but you can say you don't like it if you don't like it.
No, I do not like it. But I don't.
The one in Iceland was better?
I remember it being a little bit slightly sweeter.
Okay.
And not as cardamom flavored.
All right, cool. Here, he's gonna have it for the first time, so you have nothing to judge it off of.
Yep. Looks interesting.
Do you know what rhubarb is?
Nope. I feel like this would pair really well with some vanilla ice cream. But
oh, we're supposed to put whipped cream with it too. We didn't do that.
Yeah, or a whipped cream.
It's
I
okay.
can tell it's healthier. I mean, it's not something I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I need a piece of that. But yeah, I think it's okay.
But you would eat it?
Yeah,
Better
it's, just
than
it's not that I have nothing to compare it to, so I can't say whether it's bad or good for what it is. But for what it is, just off my judgment,
Do we have any whipped cream?
I'll eat it.
I don't know. But when I get to the edge here,
Yeah.
where the jam is,
Yeah.
that's where I can taste more of the berry flavor.
Oh, okay.
That one's it's like it kind of pops out here more so.
Yeah, I think
on the edge with the jam.
Jeremiah said it perfectly. I don't not like it. I don't not like it.
But it's not the one thing you're going, damn, I want my mom to make that again.
Nah.
It was a little more red, the one that we had in Iceland, but I saw another recipe that actually had rhubarb jam and also strawberry jam. And this one is rhubarb, but I actually made the jam instead of buy the jam. So I don't know if that makes a difference, but maybe that's why it's not as sweet. But I haven't tasted it yet, so. It's definitely different. The one in Iceland, I was like, I couldn't stop thinking about it. I'm like, oh my god, this is so good.
What do you think you did different? Like, what is wrong with it?
There's another recipe. So I got this recipe from someone on YouTube. I'm not sure that I dig her recipe so much, so
Call her out.
I'm gonna try another one.
Send some shots.
Rhubarb is not easy to find here in California.
What was her channel?
Since I don't love it, I'm not gonna say it. But I'm going to.
Start a YouTube.
I bought 4 more bags of frozen rhubarb because it wasn't easy to find, and so I have 3 more chances to get it right.
Cool.
I mean, it's just solid. This looks like, if you take away the water, it looks like Lisa Birdie. Lisa Birdie.